you attended quite a few Dandiya events recently in your hometown and other places. Yeah, we saw the pictures of huge crowd that gathered for you, cheering your name. We saw video footage of fans pleading for a picture with you. Aww, and you looked helpless. Stuck in your car.
Yeah.
I have not seen this. You also got to know the events didn't need much promotion. We also got to know, that the events did not need much promotion because your name alone helped them sell passes. For a person your age, it's a huge achievement. How do you feel about this? And does this fame affect you?
Okay, one by one I'll come to them. Thank you for the question.
Oh,
सबसे पहले it was very nice to go back to Calcutta after Kolkata after 3.5 years, and even Guwahati for that matter was the first time that I visited Guwahati. Experience was awesome. You all saw the photos and everything, and कुछ videos भी है upload में. So it was awesome. बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैं alone भी गया था, मतलब अकेला गया था, तो it was a different feeling also. As in alone in the sense, मतलब attending the event all alone without anyone. So it was nice. I missed the whole team, but at the same time it was nice an experience. Next question था आपका
मतलब what about the people didn't have to promote the event?
हाँ, that I came to know when the organizers started talking with me, interacting with me. We had a small chit chat session. There they were saying कि मैं बाकी लोगों के नाम नहीं बोलूँगा बट यार मतलब उस दिन ये आया था, उस दिन वो आया था, उसमें इतना नहीं था सर, पर आपका क्रेज है सर, ये वो है ना था. And then they said a lot of things. So it was nice to hear what they said, and it's nice. यार, I mean आप लोग जितना प्यार करते हो. Yes, for my age, this fame is not. I'm not letting it affect me as of now because TV का क्या scenario रहता है, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है.
Perfect. I was just gonna say that.
हाँ.
कल को ये नहीं आएगा घंटा, ये चला भी जाएगा ना, नंगा भी हो जाएगा तो नहीं दिखेगा कोई.
नंगा भी नहीं, but no, ऐसा
क्यों? टी-शर्ट तो उतार ही सकता है.
नंगा मतलब अलग ही imagination अलग आती है ना, फिर वो इसीलिए मैं.
तेरे को तेरी आ रही होगी हमको.
मैं क्यों अपने आप को imagine करूँ यार, आप पे पल के यार. So obviously I'm trying hard. I'm not trying hard actually. I'm not trying anything, but I'm not letting this fame is not.
This fame can't affect Shantanu Maheshwari because he's not that kind. He's not those kinds who actually will ever let fame affect him. I think he's the only person I can say in the whole D3 team, in spite of her sitting next to me, कि it's very difficult for him to get that kind of fame under his belly. So it takes time. For
thanks
the rest
to
of the
also for this.
Thanks to Papa. Absolutely, it's totally his upbringing, and as far as others are concerned, जैसे कि रुशिका बहुत खाती है मुझसे बीच में कि ये क्यों वो क्यों, because it's their age, you know, होता है. It's very easy to get ऐसे, but they need perfect guidance, and I am there to by default guide them. Even if they don't want it, I'll guide them.
You're happy.
I'm very happy. I'm very happy with it.
We are happy to have you.
अच्छा वैसे. I am so happy with the kind of fame. You know, I get teary when people run to you all and
मैंने एक चीज बोली नहीं है, but मैं जब हॉस्पिटल में थी तो कोई भी नर्स आके शांतनु आने वाला है, सर आने वाला है.
मैं विजिट करने गया था.
नहीं, मैं बीमारी की हालत में ये
उन लोग का ये भी हो जाएगा ना फिर.
You visiting? Correct. No, but I'm too very happy. Zabardasti I'm saying, but I get very teary with all
Yeah,
this.
we have seen her getting teary. In Hyderabad also actually.
Every time I get teary.
मतलब हमारे
The
सामने
most
तो-
I was teary when I'm in Goa. I must tell you this scenario.
India Fest.
India Fest. The first time when we had gone, it was a struggle, but I was very overwhelmed with the kind of response that we saw the first time. Second India Fest when we went and they were supposed to do the Mumbai dance. Rushika was very new. Rushika was just about digesting me, you know? And that time I remembered I had to place my cameras because we were really shooting that song. I am Mumbai, ना? तो उसके अंदर हमने ये स्टेज था and there were 3 placements of camera. तो यहाँ
ये लाइव परफॉर्मेंस की बात
कर रही हूँ मैं. यहाँ पे कैमरा, यहाँ पे कैमरा, यहाँ पे कैमरा, और मैं उसको सुपरवाइज करने के लिए यहाँ पे खड़ी थी. So we had all elevated ourselves on 3-4 chairs लगा के, and हम elevation में खड़े थे और कोई नहीं था वहाँ पे, कोई नहीं था. And जैसे ही अनाउंस हुआ कि D3 टीम परफॉर्म कर रही है, I saw sea of people. मतलब I अनगिनत लोग ऐसे भाग के D3 स्टेज को वही धूप में भाग के ऐसे करेंगे. I looked at my cameraman, the cameraman and I were sharing these tears, and because we had all started D3, you know, in a very small little way.
सबका वही
And-
चैनल वीक था ना.
हाँ, okay, ऐसा था. And we were crying and they were performing and the girls were going crazy. I was just tearing. That was the maximum I cried, I think. And
सच में आज कंफ्यूजन क्यों हो रहा मुझे पता नहीं.
अच्छा.
हाँ, ट्रेंड हुआ है.
बल्कि मल्होत्रा.
You went to Kolkata during Durga Puja. Did you meet your family?
Yes.
Did you go pandal hopping?
Hopping.
What is pandal?
Yes. पूजा देखने जाते हैं ना उसका.
Oh. Okay, we bet the last time you went to Nico
Park
was when you were a normal teenager who went for the rides.
मैं जब स्कूल में था तब हमें स्कूल पिकनिक के लिए लेके गया था. तब मैं लास्ट गया था निको पार्क. उसके बाद मैंने एक बार सुको बोलिंग ऐसे निको बोलिंग ऐसे कुछ जो भी है वहाँ पे एक बार गया था बड़े होने के बाद. ऐसे बड़े भी मतलब क्या 11 में आने के बाद. उसके बाद मैं अभी गया. Yeah.
And this time you were the chief guest there.
I-
How does it feel in the city?
Actually
Where you
वो
once roamed around as a normal kid, this time you roamed as a VIP slash
Whoever has
celebrity.
written these questions, you please, I have a recruitment for writing. Please come. ऐसे ना full passion और
Yeah.
full ऐसे symbolism के साथ लिखा हुआ है. हाँ जी बोलिए.
Yes, I did go for पंडाल hopping. और जब मैं छोटा था मेरी मम्मी को मतलब मेरी मम्मी को शौक था डांडिया वांडिया करने का. तो उसकी वजह से मैं भी करता था डांस. क्योंकि मतलब डांस तो मैं करता था बट डांडिया भी करता था. मम्मी को बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट रहता है डांडिया का एंड डांस
So
का.
sweet, yeah.
So, हम लोग जाते थे तब मैं देखता था ऐसे सेलिब्रिटी आ रहे हैं. पर हम लोगों का भी वो क्रेज नहीं था कि जो सेलिब्रिटी को देखना है. हम लोग डांस करने जाते थे. और एक्चुअली पासेस भी महंगे रहते थे उस समय. तो हम लोग और नहीं जाते थे. अच्छा यहाँ पे कोई नहीं आ रहा है ना तो यहाँ पे सस्ता होगा तो वहाँ पे चले जाते हैं. वैसा रहता था.
See, let me tell you, the typical Marwadi, you can't.
It's not about being Marwadi.
Yeah,
It's
she
not
is a
about being
typical
Marwadi.
Marwadi. I can't help it, but Maheshwari, you are like that. Please shut your mouth.
Okay, fine, whatever it is,
हाँ.
it's helping me to answer.
Well said, well said.
So हम लोग जाते थे और वो
हो जाएगी.
सॉरी
पागल है?
Start.
हाँ तो मैं बोल रहा था कि हाँ तो हम लोग जब डांडिया में आते थे सेलिब्रिटीज को देखते सो वो चीज़ मेरे मैं जब जा रहा था एंट्री कर रहा था दोनों इवेंट्स के लिए तो मैं वही सोच रहा था कि वहाँ पे कुछ होर्डिंग वोर्डिंग थी तो वहाँ पे स्वयं इस कमिंग और शांतनु इस कमिंग ऐसे लिखते थे. तो मुझे वो याद आता था कि यार मैं देखता था मैं पेपर में फोटोज देखता था कि अच्छा यहाँ पे अच्छा ये आने वाला ओहो यहाँ पे ये आने वाले नाइस ठीक है यहाँ पे तो नहीं जा सकेंगे. So it was that and it changed. So it's nice a feeling and वो आपको पूरी जर्नी आपको दिखती है वापस जब आप एक्चुअली मैं जब स्टेज पे भी रहता हूँ ना तो मैं स्टेज पे था निको पार्क में तो मुझे वो जर्नी दिख रही थी. एक एंट्री और दूसरे एंट्री के बीच में जो टाइम था मुझे वही दिख रहा था. सो मैं बस इधर से उधर घूम रहा था. सर आप बैठिए ना सर आप बैठिए बोला नहीं चाहिए मुझे. सो दैट वाज द होल फीलिंग. आई डोंट नो I don't think I have answered your question properly, but yeah, that's what I
I don't even remember what the question is.
हाँ,
I've gone into your journey.
Yeah.
But yeah. Oh, sorry.